Fluid mechanics. What do you mean by fluid? Fluid andre yenrappa? See, any substance which deforms continuously when the external force acting on it, external force or external pressure. For example, take one pen, apply a pressure on it like through your mouth. Did you find any changes in its shape and size? Yargadru changes kanutta? Suppose in the same hand, take 2 drops of water, apply the same pressure. What will you find?
Deformation, sir.
Yeah, it will deform. That means liquid is the fluid. Liquid is a substance which undergoes deforms continuously when the external force acting on it. Here, one thing you should know, liquid is the fluid, but all the fluids are not liquids. Liquid on the fluid, but fluids alla liquids alla. Gas is also fluid because gas also get deforms. So both liquid and gases are the fluids, generally called as fluids. So a fluid is a substance that deforms continuously when subjected to external force. In other words, the substances which cannot resist any external force, say shear stress applied on them, are fluid. What is this shear stress or shear force? I think you have heard
It's breaking into 2 parts.
Any force which break substances into 2 parts, it is a shear force or shear stress. Understood? Now,
yes, sir.
We know about the fluid. Then what is fluid mechanics? Fluid mechanics is a branch of science which deals with the properties and behavior of fluids at rest as well as in motion. Fluid mechanics is nothing but a study on behavior of fluid when it was at rest as well as when it was at motion. The study of fluid when it was at rest is known as static fluids. Static fluids. Similarly, the study of fluid when it was at motion but without considering the force which causes the motion is known as fluid kinematics. The first one is fluid statics and the second one is fluid kinematics. I'll give an example. Suppose you are going to study about a still water. Still water is nothing but the water in an open well. The water in an open well is a static one. Static means it is at rest. It is not moving anywhere. Is it? Is it no?
No, sir.
What?
Yes, sir. Well water is in a static position, sir.
Yeah. When you are going to study about the well water, that is nothing but fluid statics. Suppose fluid kinematics means, for example, of the same water. Suppose some water is released from the dam to a river. What you will observe? The water will be flows in a river. What is the reason for flowing? That you are not going to think. You are only thinking about at which velocity the water is flowing. What is the discharge of water in a river? Understood? You are not going to think about the force which causes for flowing. You are only think about the velocity of the flow. Understood? That is the fluid kinematics. And another one, fluid dynamics. What is the fluid dynamics? It is the study of fluid by considering the force which is causes for the flow of fluid along with its kinematic properties. That means in fluid dynamics, you are going to study about the force